In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. Subtasks are a simple way to break big, fuzzy work into clear, bite-sized actions, so your team knows exactly what needs to happen next. I'll walk you through the basic flow, and along the way, I'll share practical tips to keep everything clean and easy to track. First, go to Asana. You can use the desktop app or a browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you're seeing the projects and tasks that matter to you. If your sidebar is crowded, collapse sections you don't need so the interface stays focused. Next, open a project. Pick the one that contains the work you want to break down. It doesn't matter if the project is in list or board view. Subtasks live inside individual tasks, not at the project level, so either layout works. Give the project a moment to load, so all task details are available. Now, click on a task. Choose the parent task that represents the larger piece of work you want to split up. When you click it, the task details pane opens on the right. This is your command center. You'll see the task title, description, activity, and lower down, the area where subtasks live. If the pane feels cramped, drag its edge to make it wider so everything is easier to see. Look toward the top right of that task details pane and click the three-dot icon. This is the More Actions menu. It contains options specific to the task, including tools for organizing and refining it. If you don't see the icon immediately, hover near the title area and it should appear. From that menu, click Add Subtask. Asana will create a new subtask field under the subtask section of the task. You'll see a cursor ready for input and a small subtask item waiting to be named. This keeps your breakdown directly attached to the parent task, so context is never lost. Type the subtask name. Aim for a short, action-oriented title that starts with a verb, like draft outline or collect assets. Clear names make it obvious what success looks like. Press Enter to save it. You can repeat the same. Add subtask action to create as many as you need, keeping each one focused on a single outcome. If you're drafting several in a row, stay consistent with wording so they sort and scan well. That's it. You've created subtasks inside your task, turning big work into a straightforward checklist your team can follow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Asana.